What's up, guys? It's your boy HOUTX Trader from Houston, Texas. Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you the perfect US30 NASDAQ and gold strategy. It's April 1st, 2024. Just got off of Easter, but this strategy is kicking butt. I'm going to show you how to use this strategy so you can make consistent gains with high winning percentages. All right, guys. So if you like this video, please do me a favor and subscribe, smash that thumb, and help your boy out. Let's get right into these charts. Let me show my screen here. We're going to do this screen right here. Okay, guys, this is the main part of this strategy. I'm a Fibonacci trader. So if you also like Fibonacci's, check this video right here. I'm going to post a link to how I build my Fibonacci's. But guys, what you need to really realize is we look at the highs and lows of the moves. Right here, we had the low. Right here, we had the high. So we draw our Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. Okay. And then we mark off the 78.6 and the 88.6. This is going to be our buy zone, or if we're going the opposite direction, our sell zone. This is when we start to look for trades, guys. We know that the market's bullish, so we want to continue in bullish. And here's a perfect example right there. Okay. When we look at this tip right here, this wick right here, we see that it's almost oversold, but it's not oversold with RSI, guys. Okay. If you want to check out a video on divergence, check this video out right here on the RSI. Look, then we got this other video, not this other entry, this other wick right here. It's in our buy zone. And then we have this last one right here, right on the 88.6. As you can see, our RSI is starting to get on the oversold. We come down to the 30-minute right here. Look, oversold. This wick is not as high, so therefore we are starting to see a divergent right there on this one. So that was our entry, guys. I took this trade live. You can go back and I'll post the video. There it is. There's our entry right there. We want to target TPs. Now look, if you want to your first target, your first TP1 is usually going to be the double top or double bottom right there. So as you can see, we smashed right there. And the TP2 extension would be the 23.6. Smash both of those TPs. There's a good example of that. Now let's look at the NAS and the 30. Everyone wants to trade US 30, guys. Here it is. Look at what we just have. Right now in this chart, we have a bullish momentum, as you can clearly see. Let's go to the 1 hour. All right. What I like to also see, I like to see liquidity get taken out. So let me show you an example for when we talk about today. Okay, here's an example of just the other day of a trade we took. Here's the bottom right there. There's the top. We draw the Fibonacci from bottom to top because we are buying. Okay, we have our 78, 88.6 buy zone right there. Okay, guys. We like to see liquidity get taken out. So if you see that there's areas where people have been buying before, we like to see that get taken out, get into our buy zone, and then we start taking the longs, right? So if you're taking the long at the 78 or the 88.6 right in this area, there's your entry. There's your TP1 as the double top, as you can see that smashed. And then your TP2 would be the 23.6 extension, and that smashed. And if you're running a TP3, there's your 61.8 extension, and it smashed. There is a perfect example of how this strategy works. We're going with the momentum. We're using the Fibonacci's to find our buy zone. We're targeting TP extensions. If you need help on Fibonacci, again, I had a Fibonacci video that I posted. Here's another perfect example, guys. All right, so here's the bottom. Here's the top. Look at anytime you see a double top like this is a target. You know the market is going to come back and take this money. We already knew that the market was going to come back because this TP extensions had not got hit. We already know that we're in a bullish market. So we can be a little more aggressive and take this entry right here on this 78, 88.6 right there. We also look on the RSI. Look, guess what, guys? We're oversold on the RSI. So that's letting us know that the market is about to reverse. So guess what? We jump in that 88.6. There's our TP. Our TP2, 61.8. We could TP1 here at the double top if you wanted, but really the extensions are right there and the extensions right there. And again, smash that trade. So we get in this trade right here. Same thing again, guys. Look, here's the bottom. There's the top. Here's our buy zone, 78, 88.6. Look at the RSI is now oversold. If we come back down into the smaller time frames, guess what, guys? Divergent. All right, divergent. Look, this low, and then it gets lower. Okay, but look at the price. This is the low, but as this right here is going lower, it is getting weaker on the RSI. That's letting us know it is divergent and about to turn around. So what did we do? We bought. What did I do? I should say I bought right there. All right. The market is showing its hand. The market has got back into our buy zone. Let me go back to the 1 hour. All right. The market is now in our buy zone right there. Right. We had the RSI overbought. What's our TP1? Double top. What's our TP2? Extensions. Okay. We leave runners at that point. All right. Now look at the R to R. I mean, if we're just double topping, right? We're at a 4-to-1 R to R with this strategy. Excuse me, that's not correct. Let me draw right there. We're at a 3-to-1. All right. We really want to see the extension hit it. And then we're at a 3.62 to 1, 3.5 to 1 right there, guys. All right. So this is how the strategy works. And it works on everything. It works on gold, NAS, and 30. I just want you to remember that on gold, on NASDAQ and US30, it likes the 88.6 better. So as you can see down here, it gets on these 88.6s here, 88.6. It almost wicked it there. That's the magic number for NASDAQ and for US30. Here's my entry today. Guys, this is today. Guess what I wanted to see? I wanted to see liquidity get taken. I see the low. I see the high. Okay, I drew the fib right there. There's my buy zone, 78, 88.6. The only thing that's missing on this trade is we're not oversold on the RSI, not on the 1 hour. Okay. If we come down to the 30, we are oversold on the 30. Come down to the 15, and there's our divergence on the 15. So we can look at here, and you see how it's low. And then the RSI is getting weaker as the price is getting lower. So we have the divergent on there. Let me clear a little bit of this up. These paintbrushes get a little crazy after a while. So there it is on NASDAQ. That's our entry for today, right there. Our entry for today on US30 is right here, right now. All right. And we took this gold trade already, and we banged this gold trade, and we've already taken all of our profit. So we entered right there, and we banged it all the way up. So we're just waiting now for this to happen to give us some sort of reason to short. So again, guys, we want to short, we go Fibonacci, there to there, there to there. Where's our 78.6? The gold loves 78.6. Also, look, guys, look at this right here. That 78.6 is a clean, clean, clean double top. Look at this right there. All right. So what we need to do is be looking for shorts right here. All right, right there. There it is. Now look at this. Look at these extensions down here. We need to target these extensions because we also come back out to, let's say, the 1 hour. Now we've got this gigantic. I mean, look, it's not really, I mean, on this chart right here, it doesn't show as a fair value gap, but I mean, look at how we haven't had any sort of meaning. Look at all this green grass. Look at all this area right here we haven't had. So I'd love to see this market come down, retest this 61.8, get into this trend line area before it starts to buy back up. So we're about to take a short probably tomorrow morning and catch that. May as well set a limit now and catch that. Guys, this strategy consistently bangs, okay? Check out these videos that I have. Okay. Screen share. There we go. Okay, guys. So this strategy works. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I'll get back to you. Please hit that thumbs up button and smash that subscribe button. Let's make some money. We could do this, guys. Day trading, not that hard. Hit me up. I'll show you everything you guys need to know. Also, let's look at the dot card. Guys, this is the dot card in the description. When you come here, here's my Twitter, my Instagram. Here is the funded account that I use. Here's some Discords that I'm in. The Market Bandit is a free Discord. Badass Trades is a free Discord. Check those out. I'm in there posting stuff. Those guys are all killers in the game. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that subscribe. This is for training only. It's not financial advice. Y'all know the deal.